Scratches.
I know for a fact.
Scratches.
This girl called my phone, Maury, and I seen scratches on him that day. I said, where were you?
Also glitter, right?
Glitter, Maury.
From a construction site?
Yeah.
Arts and crafts, Maury.
Arts and crafts.
He has a daughter. He has a young daughter.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for Lehigh County, eastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County, until 6:30 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain has been reported, and more is on the way. Flash flooding is expected in the heavier rain bands. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Did admit that you cheated on her one time.
Of course, yes.
Okay. We want the entire truth to come out, so everybody please welcome our private investigator, Wendy Kleinneck. Wendy.